Ọmụnze m ọzọ ekene m unu ekene m unu na-ekene nwoke na-ekene nwaanyị na-ekene ihe na-ejele Igbo ozi biko kwana m na CCTV kamera ereview kwana ihe bụ ya bụ dagel yes CCTV kamera ihe a nchọkwu nene bụ CCTV kamera evidence gosi ihe mee n'abalị mbọsị ahụ maka unu na-anya unu afụ ma ndị chọrọ itinye ihe na ha na-akpọ polisi were kene dis evidence taa ndị niile a na-achụ dagel ma ndị chọrọ ya achọ ma ndị tiri ihe ma ndị gboro ọgụ si were kamera gagharịba si kpọkọcha ha ncha then ekwue ihe mere na gị unu afọ nka dị ga-esi wee gbaa ọsọ ejere zuo n'akụkụ ebe a mana CCTV kamera appointees to that location Malaysia na nwere onye ba dị ya nekwa unu ya afụkwa ka the place wee jicha ka ọ dị mkpamkpamkpamkpa na-akọwa anything can happen si chụba ndị ahụ chụda gị maka na ofu onye nwere ike ọ bụ na ọbaga ebe a na-eje ememi na-adị nwa kwagbuo ya na-eme mmiri ahụ ka ị na-ekwukwa maka na unu cheki allowance dị na that swimming pool gosi na mmadụ zogodo ebe a the love space dị n'akụkụ ebe ahụ na what will orchestrate the killing of a young girl na club na hotel kogide akụkọ epikile ego epikile ego na-akọ akụkọ ndị na-akọ na-agbọ ka moto ejide hotel a etituo ya na ana gị first etituo ya na ana akọwazie ihe ọzọ a na-akọ were ebe a lụọ skuul ma were alụọ ụlọ ụka ọ wụrụkwana were ofu alụsị ahụ dị n'Ekwulọbịa na-achọ demolish gbogote ya ebe ahụ ewee na-ekpekwa ya ka ikpe wee na-aga biko nene vidiyo anụ ka ụnụ fụ ebe iwe m dị
And with the time out bar also from there, they will now go back to the other side for the last time.
This girl I'm not forgetting.
Okay. Both of them. What the level make a man? Because I am enough when I come with you.
Just keep watching him. You will see how when she will pass.
Oh.
Omenala. You watch him.
Move your hand. Okay. Okay.
Look at that.
Yes. Move your hand. Ah, if she had known, she should have waited for them to catch her. Highest, they would beat her, strip her naked, and by now she would be alive.
Please continue, please.
So, from this first footage, I would like to be faster. So I will move it faster so that you will see when they were looking for the girl and then they could not find the girl. They all went back. Look at it. They were now going back without seeing the girl. This is the first footage that covers the fact that the people chasing her from the club did not actually carry her dead body. Then we now have the other one. This one is not clear, but if we can be able to focus closer to it, you will see when she ran from this place, hid at a car here, and then moved through the fence into the pool. But just listen, if clearly you would hear what the speaker was saying.
Is the volume loud?
It's not too clear, but if you have a closer view, you will see her. And then watch when she will pass. The hand is being shown when she has crossed. Wait, just hold on. You would see when she passed through this fence into the abandoned pool. Look at her. Can you see her now? So you see that nobody carried her.
She was running.
Yeah, she was running with the money, and then she went to hit, not knowing that there is a pool that we are still.
Them to catch her. Highest, they would beat her, strip her naked, and by now she would be alive.
If she had known, that's what the voice you're hearing was saying, that if she had known, she would have waited for them to catch her.
Please let's go back to where she ran, so that they will see where she ran well, please, so that people doesn't think that we're here to. Please look very well and see where somebody ran.
Okay, just keep watching at the two pillars there. You would see her with the look at her. She just passed now. So that place, the hand was pointing. So she was the one that ran into the pool. Not.
Waiting for them to catch her. Highest, they would beat her, strip her naked, and by now she would be alive.
So it's a sad event, but the truth is, what the bloggers are putting out there is not actually what happened. They are just trying to maybe create a noise on social media. She ran from the club with the money, probably that they said she stole, and they were looking for her, which the first video I showed you guys was clear that the people chasing her could not find her again, and they went back to the club. So she now, before then, she has already run down to where the pool was. She hid at the car first and then later moved into the pool area, not knowing that the pool there is being covered and there is a part where there is water.
Because when they share that video on our CCTV camera, Patagoda, I believe in more truth will still be reviewed. Mande aka had in here, Mande no mbome, my those eyewitnesses, my hotel management, my hotel and assassin, the manager bia. So which means now then a group of people na bia, a good mother in hotel or go to while like this, the hotel amanti one on it. Mande choy hotel manager na ba. Don't go there, don't do this, don't do that. According to the gender of that place, so and you could walk is here ba. Kayale if he is. So mmadụ ya agbata hotel, so the safety of people is no longer safe in your hotel. Ọ na-akọ abụ mmadụ lodge na hotel ya na na bana na akọla ga aka na dog igigbi ọlọkụ gbawapụ dog ọrụ ọbụ gasị ike. maka na ha ncha niile bụ ofu mmiri na-asụ mịta. Biko asị m, wherever you are, please remain safe that place. Make sure na ebe ị na-aga na mmadụ ma ebe ị na-aga. Biko ekwuchakwa m ka ọ ha n'ọnụ ụbọchị nke tata anyị enwenụ ọzọ.